Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business brand mood using film grain in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and place my brand image on the canvas. First, I duplicate the background layer so the original stays safe. I move to Filter, then Camera Raw Filter, and gently increase the film grain settings. I slow down here because grain is about feeling, not force. For business branding, I keep the grain subtle so the image feels premium. I zoom in and check texture on the face and background. I adjust size and roughness until the grain feels cinematic, not noisy. I pause for a second and zoom out to judge balance. Then I slightly adjust contrast so the grain blends naturally.